to my channel. Today I'm going to be packing for Italy. Yep, this sucker here, right me, is going to Italy.
With my family, of course, because I'm literally 14 years old and obviously I'm not going to be going by myself.
So we are going to be packing. This is potentially the clothes that I'm going to be taking.
We're only around like 7 or 5 to 7 kg. I don't know, I'm going to have to check. I'm going to have to check with my brother. But that is not 7 kg. So today I'm going to check how much kg that is. And I'm going to be packing on my outfits. And my idea here, hold on. And my idea here is that I'm going to be putting all these outfits here, taking a picture of them. I'm not going to try one because I'm too lazy. I'm going to put them here. Then I'm going to take a picture. I'm not going to take a picture. I'm just going to put them here. Then the
Hey guys, this is day 2 of me packing my stuff. Last video, you guys saw me packing in this stuff, but it turns out that I'm not going to be taking this. Instead, I'm going to be taking this bag instead. Here is my makeup bag, and it even says travel on it. So I'm just gonna clean the inside of this because it's all like full of like it's kind of dirty. So I'm just gonna go like that. There we go. Oops. Ow. 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 Okay, so the first thing I do with makeup is sun cream, which is in the other bags. So sun cream, and then I put another cream, which I'm not gonna take. Sun cream, and then I put foundation, concealer. I'm gonna take both of them, and then I wear this, but this is literally about to run out. I think it'll last me. And then I wear this, which I'm not gonna take. Then I wear blush. I'm only gonna take one brush, which is gonna be this one. I'm not gonna take this one. Just gonna take this one. Then I curl on my lashes. Then I put mascara. I'm gonna take the black mascara. Then I put mascara on, then I put highlighter. And then highlighter, I do lip liner. Then I do eyeliner. I think that one's definitely way better. Then I have this one as well, which is literally just blunt. So this one wins. So I'm gonna take that one. Lip liner, this color is not that brown. I like brown color. I'm gonna take the one from my blazer, so not this. I need a sponge, but I'm gonna take a new one. I'm gonna bring that right now. Guys, look at this one. Look at the difference. Oh my god. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna put it the other way around. Also, this one is literally breaking off of here. So I think this is not it. I don't know if I should take this because I want to get makeup there too. So I'm just gonna leave that. And if I want to put eyeliner on, I'm just gonna use the highlighter thing. Yeah. So I think, oh, this is really, really important. Vaseline, I'm gonna take 2. So that is it. That is all I'm going to take. The lip gloss and lip liner I'm gonna get from downstairs. Why do I have an accent? The lip liner and the lip gloss I'm going to take from downstairs. I need to do my nails. This is my current nails. Okay guys, so welcome to my salon where we have nail polish, after nail polish to nail polish, nail filers and cotton and nail polish removal. Today we're going to be doing the nails of this person called Jasmine. Okay, so my plan, hold on, I'm putting the curtains up, so don't mind me. Ow, fuck it. I scratched myself so hard right now on my nail, on my hand because of my nails. God damn it. Right, hold on. Let me just set the camera properly. There we go. She's ready. She's ready to do her nails. So, let's forget about this one. My plan for my nails is going to be, I'm going to do half of this and then half of that. Or half of this and then half of this. But first we have to remove our nails, but first we have to also file them as well. So I'm going to first take a little bit of cotton and then... Oh, this cotton is just cottoning right now. Okay. Hey guys, it looks like I've changed my clothes. Yep, I have changed my clothes and I am now going to put nail polish on. Alright, let's go. First I'm going to go with a white coat. I don't know what I'm going to do first. No, first I need to shape my nails. The ones that are crooked I need to fix. So I'm going to be back from that. I've finished filing my nails. I even put my hair in a bun.